Living in Carencro, Louisiana, offers the best of both worlds, southern charm and a warm, welcoming community. But as most residents know, it also means preparing for unpredictable weather. From heavy rains to strong winds during hurricane season, storm protection is an essential part of homeownership in this region. One of the most effective ways to safeguard your home from weather-related damage is by investing in modern window replacement. Old or damaged windows can make your home vulnerable to wind, debris, and water infiltration, while new, properly installed models are designed to reduce storm damage risks and improve your home's resilience. Here's how upgrading your windows can help protect your Carencro residents from the elements, while also improving energy efficiency and comfort year-round. Preventing wind damage and flying debris. Strong winds are among the biggest threats during Louisiana's storm season. When outdated or poorly sealed windows give way under pressure, they can allow dangerous wind gusts to enter your home, increasing interior pressure and putting your roof and walls at risk of failure. Modern replacement windows are engineered to resist high wind loads and impacts from flying debris. Options such as impact-resistant glass and reinforced window frames help absorb force without shattering. Even if struck by debris, the inner laminated glass stays intact, keeping wind and water outside where they belong. For Carencro homeowners, choosing windows that meet hurricane or impact resistance standards provides an extra level of protection and peace of mind when storms roll in. Stopping water infiltration before it starts. One of the most common types of storm damage in Louisiana homes is water intrusion. When rain and wind drive moisture into small gaps around aging window frames, it can lead to mold, warped wood, and costly interior repairs. New window installations include advanced sealing systems and weatherproof materials that prevent leaks. Features such as multi-layered seals, heavy-duty weather stripping, and precision-fit frames ensure a tight barrier against water intrusion, even during intense downpours. Replacing windows before storm season hits can help prevent these hidden water issues, protecting both your home's structure and your family's health. Strengthening the structural integrity of your home. Windows are more than just glass, they're an integral part of your home's overall stability. When they're weak or poorly installed, they can compromise the strength of your walls and openings. By replacing outdated windows with new, securely anchored units, you enhance your home's ability to withstand pressure changes and reduce the risk of catastrophic damage. Professional window installers use reinforced frames and hurricane-rated hardware to ensure each window remains stable under extreme conditions. This reinforcement not only protects against storm damage but also adds to your home's long-term value and durability. Enhancing energy efficiency year-round. While storm protection is a top priority, modern replacement windows also provide significant energy-saving benefits, a major advantage in Carencro's humid subtropical climate. Energy-efficient window options, including double-pane glass, low-E coatings, and gas-filled layers, help regulate indoor temperatures by minimizing heat transfer. These upgrades reduce the strain on your HVAC system, leading to lower utility bills and improved comfort throughout Louisiana's hot summers and cool winters. By combining protection and efficiency, window replacement becomes a smart investment that delivers returns in safety, comfort, and savings. The importance of professional installation. Even the most durable, storm-rated windows can't perform properly if they aren't installed correctly. Professional window installation ensures a precise fit, strong seals, and compliance with Louisiana's local building codes. Trained experts understand the unique environmental challenges in Carencro, such as humidity and high wind exposure. They use proper flashing, caulking, and installation techniques to prevent air and water leaks while maximizing performance. With professional installation, homeowners can rest easy knowing their new windows will deliver maximum protection when storms strike. Final thoughts. When it comes to protecting your home in Carencro, window replacement isn't just about looks, it's about safety, strength, and preparation. Modern, storm-resistant windows create a powerful defense against wind, water, and debris while improving energy efficiency and comfort. If your current windows show signs of aging, warping, or leaks, now is the time to upgrade before the next storm season arrives. With durable materials, energy-efficient designs, and expert installation, you can reduce storm damage risks and enjoy greater peace of mind knowing your Carencro home is built to withstand whatever the weather brings.